Do-it-yourself gal here, and today we're going to be talking about the vitamins I take. And as you can see, I keep them on top of the refrigerator here. I take a multivitamin and mineral for men. Let's see what else. I take calcium, and I take vitamin C, and I take a saw palmetto. I got back here. Take potassium. I take flaxseed oil, and I take lutein / zeaxanthin. I'm not pronouncing that correctly, but that's for eyes. And here I take for CoQ10 for heart. Garlic for winter time, and fish oil, and a B complex, and a vitamin E. In addition, I used to take a vitamin B12, and I took a few other ones, but that's what I've been taking, for now. And occasionally I take cholesterol off. So the reasons that I do these things is just I've been doing them a while, and I feel that it seems to help. I feel healthier with that kind of setup. And I don't know if I have any here, but when I was busier and working in it, I had these plastic kind of outfits with a compartment for every day of the week, and I'd stuff all those vitamins. I'd do that. I'd have them all in there, so it was just a question of taking one a day rather than fish through each individual jar like I do now. Some things, there's always opinions and surveys and so forth that are coming out and saying, well, this particular vitamin now is in a state of discredit, and then those things change down through the years, and so you might feel, well, why should I take and spend the money for something that some doctor or some survey people have indicated is not doing much good. Well, depends on your own particular perspective, your age, and your amount of exercise that you can find yourself able to do, and so there's different factors in there. But basically, I found that even when I was much younger, I still had to at least take a multivitamin because I just wasn't that healthy and vibrant without it. And there's also other ways, if you can afford it, there's people that just sell vitamins, and it comes in a liquid form that you mix the powder with water or apple juice or whatever, and that seems to allow you to absorb those vitamins better, because the way I'm doing it here, I'm guessing on the percentage, but maybe somewhere around 35 to 70% of that gets absorbed. So the other way is a little bit better, but I used to do it that way, and I stopped doing it. So I don't think there's anything more I can guide you with on this. I hope this helps. If you've already got a system that works for you, I'm all for it. Put it in the comments so that I know about it, but again, it depends on your perspective and how you eat too. That's another thing that affects your health. So this is just one variable in the equation. In addition, when I take the vitamins every day, I mix them up in this cup. This comes from like a malted milkshake kind of outfit where you stick the cup in and it burns around and mix up the ice cream and everything. Well, anyway, I put that in there. I take some of this protein powder, and I throw in some apple cider vinegar, which this stuff, if you take it straight, you'll understand how strong it is. And then some of this as well. So I mix that all together and can use water, or I use this lemonade mix that I don't think it has any sugar in it. And I don't always take all of the vitamins that I've just shown you every day. If I'm pressed for time, I might just take one or two, or it depends on that. But having to mix it up, that's the ideal way with all these items that I showed you that I mix them up with. And so that's it for now. That was just an afterthought. Should have said that the first time around. But subscribite y comenta, thumb up and share. Okay, producer, do your thing.